I'm Colleen from Thrive, and I am so excited that I just got a new shipment in, and I want to share with you what it is. I think it is, I don't know, I think it is this, maybe it's March's shipment. I'll have to see. Let's see what I ordered. Okay, now the reason I really like Thrive Foods is it's freeze dried, so it's picked at its peak. It's picked at the very beginning, or the perfect time for the food to be picked. And then it's freeze dried like really fast compared to our food that we get in the grocery store, which is like picked weeks before it's mature, before it's ready, and then shipped and all these processes before it actually gets to our grocery store. But Thrive picks it right when it's mature and ready, freeze dries it immediately, and then packages it. So it gets the best nutrition. Another thing I like is that it's totally clean. It's just so clean. It's simple food too. So there's no other ingredients in them. And it's just the product itself. It's just the ingredient itself. It's no preservatives, nothing. No added things. So it's just very, very clean food. The other thing I love is that it's so light. So when you're trying to do food storage and you're trying to like either pack up or move or anything or move your food storage, it's so light. I mean, imagine carrying all our heavy food storage for past years, or those that did that. It can get very heavy, but this is light. Okay, let's see what we have. So this is, oh, I have strawberries. Let's make strawberries. Oh, here are the strawberries. It's just totally light. It's light. It's awesome. It's healthy. It's nutritious. And again, everything that's in it. Let's see ingredients. Let me see. Where's this thing? Oh, ingredients right there. Strawberries. That's it. That's the only thing in there. And they are delicious. They are delicious. Okay, let's see what else I have. Green beans. Green beans. Now, I just saw a recipe show of how to make some things like some salads with the green beans. I can't wait to try these green beans. Now this is amazing. This is pulled pork. What? They have meat? Yes, they have pulled pork. Right there, do you see pulled pork? And I saw these awesome yummy fajitas that you can make with pulled pork. Imagine you have protein at your fingertips whenever you need it. A lot of times, like especially, I don't know, through the pandemic and everything, you can go to the meat department and there's not meat, or it's not available, or it's really expensive now. It's getting really expensive. To think that I could have my family's meal just within seconds, and it's real meat, and it's freeze dried, and it's just immediate, is amazing. Is amazing. Okay, this is green chili peppers. Ooh, green chilies. I know I like to have green chilies in like my eggs, my scrambled eggs. I love it. My sister also does a green chili soup that's really good, really delicious. Oh, this is broccoli. Broccoli, freeze-dried broccoli. Just amazing. And again, if we look at the ingredients, the only thing in there is broccoli. Just incredible. And picked at the perfect maturity time for it to be ready. Okay, let's see what else is here. Oh, sausage crumbles. Cooked natural. So it says sausage crumbles. Do you see that? And I've heard that a lot. I can't wait to try this. I heard it's delicious. I heard it's so good. And that it's seriously, you could just add it to whatever. You could add it to your eggs in the morning too. And have sausage in your eggs. Now my last one is instant milk. Instant milk. And they used to have another variety of powdered milk. And this one, by far, like everyone's like, this is delicious, this is delicious. So they just said, well, forget the other kind of instant milk. We'll go with the one that everyone loves. So I can't wait to try this. And again, like look how small. You can get it in the small. This is called the pantry size can. Or you can get it in the big number 10 cans. You can even buy it by the case. I know people buy milk by the case. Because, hello, it's just milk. And again, with prices or shortages that can come up, you would have your very own always at hand. So I think freeze-dried food is amazing. It's here for us. So I say go for it. So that's what I ordered for this month. I can't wait to show you my next package, and I'll see you again. Bye.